iGourmand.
Eat, drink, man and woman, where the gourmandise is not a sin.
If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Happy birthday, Normita. Happy birthday, Normita. Shrimps. Shrimps 1 kilogram. Mushroom. Olive oil. Basil. Oregano. Chives. Garlic powder. Onion powder. White pepper. Mango pudding Lucito. White flour. Dark brown sugar. Coconut oil. Maple syrup. Honey. Brandy. Dark brown sugar. Large egg. Vanilla. Baking powder. Salt. Milk. Grapefruit juice. Finely shaved lime zests. Mangoes peeled and cubed. Tequila. José Cuervo Especial Reposado. Agave Azul. Tequila Reposado. Peanut. Fusilli Lucito. Butter. Cheese. Parmesan cheese. Heavy cream. Water. Basil. Oregano. Chives. Garlic powder. Onion powder. White pepper. Shrimps. Sparkling wine. Baron Maxime Brut Gold Reserve. Minus 2016. Sud de France. Languedoc. Pays d'Oc. Mauzac 85%. Chardonnay 15%.
Now the shrimp and mushrooms and wok. Wok for the shrimp and mushrooms and olive oil, and now the shrimps is good, and finish the mushrooms and this finish. Now shrimp 1 pound, so one is freezer here and one plate for the mushrooms. Now the papaya and the here for bowl, brandy and sugar black. So here perfect 2 or 3 1 hour, and the mango is good. Now the brandy is so perfect. And now white flour, cocoa nut, maple syrup, honey, 1 egg, vanilla powder, milk, and grapefruit juice, and zest for lime. So it's good. Now after the mango pudding, and perfect. Now the tequila is good, and nuts before the bowl for pasta, the fusilli, and butter, cheese, parmesan, cream, whole and shrimps, and perfect the sauce, and sparkling wine for Brut, Baron France, Blanquette, Limoux. Now the sparkling wine and Fusilli shrimps, and perfect. And now after the bottled wine, and mango pudding and cream. Bye bye.
iGourmand. Curriculum vitae, Luke Paquin. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.